If you want to record sounds on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, you can use the voice recorder. And you can, for example, open the app drawer and choose the Samsung folder in order to find the voice recorder in this folder. If you open it, we need to grant the permission to record audio, to access music and audio on this device. And then we can press this recording button over here at the bottom in order to immediately start recording. And as you can see, we are recording right now. We can use these bookmarks or marks over here in the top right side, above the sound. And if you want to stop recording, you can press this square button. You can pause recording by using this pause button in the middle, and you can resume by using the red button. And that's pretty much it. If you finally stop recording, you have the option to save it. You can change the name. You can also assign a category, and then we can press save. And that's pretty much it. All your recordings are, of course, stored in the app. You can tap on these three lines in order to find categories, as well as the trash and all voice recordings. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.